Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. It's the Hellrazr Nomada. So we're going to get straight into this box. This is how it arrived. So first thing in the box again is our grill grate tool. We'll be unpacking that later. Next thing is our instructions and this bit of a warning notice again. I think it's the same thing. Don't go over 425F as it may cause damage to the exterior. Take out some of the packaging. Okay, so now it's time to lift this main unit out. This weighs nearly on 24 kilos, that's 52 pounds. So I think we might separate it first. More bits and pieces. I think that's the grate. And there we go. This is the main body of the Hellrazr Nomada. It's got the machine handles again. It's got the laser cut name and logo. It's almost 3mm thick, that's 1/8 of an inch. And it's got this coating on as well. On this leg it's got our information plate, no cooking indoors, cooking outdoors only, and I think this means I've got to read the instruction manual. Next up is the fire basket, again made from steel, 3mm thick, 1/8, laser cut, all the air rolls in it, handles for lifting. There is a little bit of assembly required on this. This is the unit that holds the grilling racks. Basically slacken these wing nuts. Drop it in, tighten them up. Does also come with a nameplate and our number, which is 00227. Our next thing is the attachment for hanging meat off. Same again. Undo the wing nuts. I didn't show you on this. It has these hooks that actually fit over the side, so not only are the wing nuts holding it, is this bracket's holding it in place as well. Just show you that in more detail. This bracket is actually lipped over the side, holding this firm. And there's this piece. This is what you can hang your meat off over the fire. Quite ingenious. It's got these cutouts at the back. You just literally place it over. You pick your height, and that locks in position. And last but not least, we've got our cooking grate again. Almost 6mm carbon steel. That's 1/4 of an inch. And the famous Hellrazr grate tool with the bottle opener. So the only thing to do now is to season this grate and do a cook. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.